I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go.
We're the only ones here at the trail today, and we're about 2 hours and 45 minutes away from Denver. And this is one of the nice things that happens when you go farther away from the Denver area to go hiking. You lose a lot of the folks in the Denver area, so it's a little more quiet to hike.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest.
Not sure if you can see the real light snow flurries here, but it's been doing this on the whole trail. It was supposed to get sunny today, but it's still pretty. Can't see the blue skies, but having those light snow flurries up here in the Rocky Mountains. As I said earlier, we've been in the snow the whole way. Some real light snow flurries. It's all easily passable, but it'd be a lot easier to hike up here in the summer. And then you got the creek, Roaring Creek, to be flowing. It's flowing, I think, but under the ice. But the trail's been a little bit more challenging today. We're in a good 2 feet of snow up here, but on the trail it's probably a foot. But man, if you step off the trail, you get a little bit of that. One thing about this area we just walked into, these ponderosa pines are getting eaten up by the beetles. We're about 2 miles into the trail here, and this is the end of the trail for us. You can see there's the mountains get real steep, come down to the creek up over here to the north. But with all this snow, it's a little too much for us. So you can tell people have been through here with snowshoes, several days ago, probably. And you really need snowshoes. We're sinking. If you step off the trail, you'll sink at least a foot and a half. And on the trail, we even have trouble. So again, as I said before, you gotta have the right gear. This has been the Roaring Creek Trail, about an hour west of Fort Collins, Colorado. It's a really pretty hike. It's a little bit tougher in the snow, but for about 30 minutes or 45 minutes coming up that canyon, there's a beautiful river, and it's all iced up, pretty much all ice and snow right now, but it's a beautiful drive. And you're getting far enough away from Denver that you don't get a lot of people up here.
It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
Thanks for joining me on another Colorado hike.